Hello, this is Johanna Ocampo with SiliconCore, coming to you from the ISE 2020 floor. What we're showing you here today is a 1.5mm display, 137-inch diagonal. This display is ideal for collaborative room, meeting room environments, as well as corporate and lobby rooms. The thing to notice about our product is that we're at 1500 nits. As is customary with our SiliconCore products, we have the common cathode technology, and what we're selling more and more of is our LiSA technology for additional durability, for touchability, water resistance, and dust resistance. In those environments that you're in, there's no concern now of the fragility of LED displays. You can get up close and personal with our 1.5mm displays. And what we're doing here today is we're partnering with a company called Three10. Three10 makes a presentation software to make it easier for you to put your presentations up on the displays, to be able to manage them, and to be able to file through them more easily. So if you want more information about our company and what we can do for you, please come to our website, www.silicon-core.com.